Today we learn body parts focusing on legs and feet. These are important words for everyday English conversation. Leg, knee, ankle, foot, toe, heel. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation. Leg is the long lower part of your body between hip and foot. Knee is the joint that bends in the middle of your leg. Foot is the bottom part of your leg that you stand on. Leg pronounced leg. This is the main part of your lower body. Knee pronounced knee. This is the bendy joint where your leg folds. You use your knees to sit and walk. Ankle pronounced ankle. This is the joint connecting your leg to your foot. Foot pronounced foot. This is what touches the ground when you walk or stand. Toe pronounced toe. These are the small parts at the front of your foot. Heel pronounced heel. This is the back round part of your foot where you put weight when standing. Review leg pronounced leg, knee pronounced knee. Practice these two words together. Leg, knee leg. Say them slowly then faster. Review ankle pronounced ankle, foot pronounced foot. Practice saying ankle foot ankle. These words help you describe injuries and body positions. Final review toe pronounced toe, heel pronounced heel, toe heel, heel toe. Now you know all 6 body parts. Practice using these words in sentences every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.